Hi, this is Sir Romy again. After going through this lesson, you are expected to find the equation of a line given 2 points, the slope and a point, the slope and its intercepts. But before that, I will share to you an inspirational message. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics by Paul House. Okay, from a given linear equation, we can determine 2 points that will satisfy the equation. Also, we can determine the slope and the y-intercept so as the x and y intercepts. Okay, for example, we have negative 3x plus y equals 6. Okay, find 2 points that will satisfy the equation. Slope and y-intercept and the x and y-intercept. Okay, so let's start. This is our linear equation. If x is equals to negative 3. Okay. Ang tanong ng bata, Sir, saan galing yung negative 3? We will assign 1 point. Mag-a-assign tayo ng isang point. Kahit anong number pwede. So, let us assume x is equals to negative 3. Let us assign x is equals to negative 3. Then, we have to substitute x to our linear equation. This will become what? Negative 3 times negative 3 plus y is equals to 6. Sinubstitute natin yung negative 3 doon sa x. So, negative times negative will become positive. 3 times 3 is 9 plus y is equals to 6. Then, transpose 9 to the other side of the equation. Y na lang ang matira. So, 6 minus 9, this will become negative 3. Therefore, your point is x, negative 3, y, negative 3. This is your 1 point. Another point. Okay, let us assign another one. If y is equals to 9, okay, so negative 3x, papalitan natin ang 9, will become 6. Okay, then transpose positive 9 to the other side. This will become what? Negative 3x is equals to 6. This will become negative 9. Then negative 3x will become 6 minus 9 will become negative 3. Divide both sides by negative 3. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 will become 1. Then x will become negative 3 divided by negative 3 will become 1. So your another point, P2, is your x is 1 and your y is 9. Okay, let's assume this is P1. Okay, so you have 2 points now. Will this satisfy your equation? Are these points the root of the equation? Okay, check. Let's check. This is your equation. Is negative 3 and negative 3. Negative 3, your abscissa is negative 3 and your ordinate is negative 3. Will this be equal to 6? Negative times negative will become 9. Positive times negative will become negative. Okay, 6. Is 9 minus 3 9 minus 3 equal to 6? Yes. Okay, so this is a root of your equation or solution of your equation. Just the same as this. Okay? Okay, now, let us proceed. This is our main topic. Yung kanina, review lang ng previous lesson natin. Ito na ngayon ang main topic natin. You can find the equation of the line given the graph, 2 points, slope and a point, slope and intercept, or the x and y intercepts. Okay, isa-isahin natin. Given the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, remember that equation of the line can be written in the form of a slope-intercept form or the standard form. Halimbawa, given if m is equals to 7 and your y-intercept is equals to negative 8, okay, what will be your slope-intercept form? From y is equals to mx plus b, ito yung slope-intercept form natin, substitute y is equals to 7x negative 8. Bakit negative 8? Okay, kasi y-intercept is equals to negative 8. Now, this is your slope-intercept form of linear equation. Now, how will you convert this to the standard form? Okay. Usually, our x will be at the left side and y on the left side, your constant is on the right side. Ax plus by is equals to c, the standard form. So, ang gagawin mo ngayon ay transpose this to the other side. This will become negative 7x plus y is equals to negative 8. Okay. Now, a linear equation in standard form is written as ax plus by equals c. This does not mean that a should always be positive. However, by convention, the equation is written in a way that we get a greater or equal to 0. Okay, conventional way, dapat positive ito. So, what will you do? Okay, ang ginagawa ko, since ang 7x sa kanang side ng equation ay positive, ito ang ililipat ko. At ito ang ililipat ko sa kabila. So, y is equals to 7x minus 8. Ito yon. Ang ginagawa ko, hindi ito. Hindi ko nililipat ito rito. Ang ginagawa ko, since itong positive, ililipat ko ito. Ito namang isa, ililipat ko sa kabila. Ang negative magiging positive, tapos yung 7x will remain, yung y, ang positive magiging. Okay, now, symmetric property of equality. Anong ibig sabihin nun? A is equals to B, then B is equals to A. So, ang mangyayari niyan, 8 is equals to 7x minus y is also the same as 7x minus y is equals to 8. Symmetric property of equality. Now, therefore, this will be your standard form. Standard form. Although, pwede naman ito Pwede naman ito negative 7x plus y equals negative 8. Pero, in a convention way, dapat positive ang a. So, 7x minus y is equals to 8. So, this is your slope-intercept form. And this is your standard form. Okay, another example. Given 2 points. Okay, gagamitin natin yung dati nating lesson, no? Meron na tayong na-i-plot nung last last discussion natin. So we will use this, no? Okay. One point will be negative 3 and 6. Another pair is 2 and 5. Okay, how will we solve, or how will we find the equation of the line? Okay, ganito lang yan. Okay, so alisin na natin. Point 1 is negative 3, 6. Point 2 is 2 and 5. Okay, ito yan. Negative 3 and 6, 2 and 5. Okay, let's try. So if this is your point 1, your x sub 1 is equals to negative 3 and y sub 1 equals 6. Your x sub 2 is equals to 2 and your y sub 2 is 5. Now, we will substitute this in the formula. Y is, okay, y minus y sub 1 is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1. Okay. Try to memorize this, no? Try to memorize this. This is our formula in finding the equation of the line given 2 points. Okay. Ano ang gagawin natin ngayon? Substitute. Meron ka ng point 1, meron ka ng point 2. So, y minus y sub 1 is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus negative 3. Okay, this will become positive 3. Then x minus negative 3, which will become positive 3. Hindi ba kayo nalilito? Okay. Bakit positive? Negative ang formula. Kasi negative 3. Negative times negative will become positive. X sub 2 minus x sub 1. Bakit positive? Kasi negative ang x sub 1 mo. Negative times negative will become positive. Now, simplify. Y minus 6 is equals to 5 minus 6 is negative 1 over 5 x plus 3. Okay, now distribute. Okay, y minus 6 will become negative 1/5 x. Negative times positive will become negative 3/5. Okay, now simplify again. Transpose this negative 6 to the other side of the equation. What will become? Okay, y is equals to negative 1/5 x minus 3/5. This will become positive. Okay, now simplify again. Y is equals to negative 1/5 x minus 3/5 plus 30 over 5. Ang tanong ng bata, sir, bakit 30 over 5? Saan galing yung 30 over 5? 30 over 5 is also the same as 6. Okay, find the equivalent fraction of 6 such that the denominators of this 3/5 will be the same. The similar fractions. So, similar fractions of 6 is 30 over 5. 3/5 and 30 over 5 are similar fractions. So, simplify again. Negative 1/5 x, negative, positive, bawas. 30 minus 3 is 27 over 5. Positive ang sagot. Bakit positive? Kasi mas malaki ang 30 sa 3. Okay. Simplify pala po natin. Y is equals to negative 1/5 x plus 5 and 2/5. Okay. Sir, bakit kinonvert mo pa sa 5 and 2/5? Kasi mas madaling i-plot. Mas madaling i-plot ang 5 and 2/5 kaysa 27 over 5 doon sa graph. Mas madaling i-plot. Okay, now, how will you convert this? How will you convert this to standard form? Okay, dito tayo magko-convert. Okay, y is equals to negative 1/5 x plus 27 over 5. Diba? Now, ang ginagawa ko, shortcut. Tuturo ko sa inyo yung shortcut. I-multiply ko ito lahat sa 5. Bakit 5? Bakit 5? Okay, para mawala itong mga denominator na 5. Bakit lahat? Di ba dating ginagawa natin? Multiply the left side of the equation by 5, then multiply the right side of the equation by 5. Ang ginagawa ko, iniisa ko na lang. Pareho lang naman eh. Para mas mabilis. Shortcut. No? Minamultiply ko lahat ng 5. So, this will become what? 5 times y is 5y. Okay, negative x na lang ang matira. Then, 27 na lang ang matira. Tama? Okay, mawawala itong 5. Mawawala itong 5. Yun ang purpose kung bakit 5 ang i-multiply natin. Now, gagawin nating standard form. Ito ay negative x. Ililipat natin dito para maging positive. So, x plus 5y is equals to 27. Now, standard form na ba yan? Yes, nauna yung x, positive. Pangalawa ay y, constant ay nasa kabila. So, this will be your standard form. Okay. Halimbawa, nagkamali ka. Okay. Sir, nagkamali ako eh. Ginawa kong 0.2 ito. Ito ay ginawa kong 0.1. Okay. Ginawa mong 0.2. Ginawa mong 0.1. Nagkamali ka nga ba? Okay, try natin. No? Okay, ito na ngayon. Tingnan natin kung nagkamali ka. Ito ang ginawa mong 0.1. Ito ang ginawa mong 0.2. Tingnan natin. So, this will be your x sub 2. Negative 3, y sub 2, 6. X sub 1 is 2, y sub 1 is 5. Okay, nagkabaligtad. Okay, haba-haba na ng computation mo tapos nagkabaligtad pala. Tingnan natin kung nagkamali ka. Kanina, ito yung sagot natin. Sa unang attempt natin, no? Standard form. Okay. So, again, y minus y sub 1 is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 x minus x sub 1. Substitute y minus 5 is equals to 6 minus 5 2. Okay. Negative 3 minus 2 x minus 2. Ang layo. Iba na. Ha? Iba na. Okay. Y sub 2 is 6. Y sub 1 is 5. X sub 2 is negative 3. X sub 1 is 2. Simplify. Y minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Negative 3 and negative 2 will become negative 5. X minus 2. Okay. Simplify again. This will become y minus 5. Okay, distribute. 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 Okay. This will become what? Okay, negative 1/5 x. Negative and negative will become positive 2/5. Okay. Transpose the negative 5 on the other side. This will become what? Y is equals to negative 1/5 x plus 2/5. This will become positive plus 5. Okay. Now, simplify. Y is equals to negative 1/5 x plus 2/5 plus 25 over 5. Sir, saan galing yung 25 over 5? 25 over 5 is 5. Ginagawa nating similar fraction yung dalawa para makombine natin. No? Hahanapin mo yung equivalent fraction ito, then kailangan similar silang dalawa para ma-combine mo silang dalawa. So this will become what? Okay, dito tayo sa kabila. Y is equals to negative 1/5 x. 2 plus 25 will become 27 over 5. Okay. Now, convert to, this is your slope-intercept form. Remember, kanina. Now, multiply both sides by 5. Y is equals to negative 1/5 x plus 27 over 5. Multiply this by 5. Okay, sinabi ko na kanina sa inyo kung bakit 5 ang minultiply ko para mawala yung denominator na 5 bits sa dalawa. Okay? Now, what will become of your equation? Y times 5 is 5y. 5 will be cancelled out. This will become negative 1x or negative x, the same. Then this will become 27. 5 and 5 will be cancelled out. So, transpose to the other side, this will become x plus 5y is equals to 27. Now, tanong, nagkamali ka ba? Tingnan mo kung pareho. Parehong pareho. Ibig sabihin, kahit mag-interchange ang points mo, huwag kang matakot. Kasi pareho lang yan ang sagot. Iba ang solution, iba yung mga numbers na lumabas, pero parehong pareho. Huwag kang matakot. Kahit na nagkamali ka sa pag-assign ng point, marami ka nang kinompute, tuloy mo lang. Kasi pareho lang ang sagot niyan. Now, i-check nga natin. I-check natin kung tama yung solution set natin. Isa lang, yung point 2. X plus 5y is equals to 27. Papalitan natin ng negative 3 ang x. Plus, papalitan natin ng y ng 6. Okay, tingnan natin kung 27 nga ba. So, negative 3 plus 5 times 6 is 30. Pareho ba sa 27? Okay, negative 3 plus 30 is 27. Therefore, equal sa 27. Correct. So, this is your solution set of this equation. Okay, malinaw? Okay. Okay, another one. Given the slope and a point. Okay, the formula in finding the equation of the line, given the slope and the point, is y minus y1, or y sub 1, then m times x minus x sub 1. Okay. Ito yung formula. Y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x sub 1. Okay. Let's try. Okay, example. Find the equation of the line whose slope is 2/3 and passes through the point negative 3 and 8. Okay, so yung slope mo ay 2/3. Then your point is negative 3 and 8. Okay. What is your formula? Substitute. Y minus, what is your y1? Y sub 1 is 8. Is equals to 2/3. X, what is your x sub 1? Negative 3. So this will become positive. Negative times negative will become positive. So, naging positive 3. Okay, so your slope-intercept form will become what? Okay. Substitute. Distribute. Distribute. So, this will become 2/3 x plus 6 over 3 plus 8. Transpose negative 8 to the other side. This will become positive. Bakit 6 over 3? Kasi 2 times 3 is 6. Then, retain the denominator which is 3. Since 6 over 3 is equals to 2. Okay, simplify. Plus 2 plus 8. So, y is equals to 2/3 x plus 10. Now, how will you convert to standard form? Okay, ganito. Y is equals to 2/3 x plus 10. Anong sabi ko sa inyo? Multiply both sides by 3. Bakit 3? Para maalis ang denominator na 3. So this will become what? 3y is equals to 2x plus 30. Tama? 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 2/3. 3 divided by 3, mawawala. 2 na lang ang matira. Then 10 times 3 is 30. Ano ang sabi ko sa inyo? Positive ang 2x. Okay, dito ka ngayon mag-a-adjust. Okay, ililipat mo ngayon ito. Ililipat mo ngayon ito. Okay, ililipat mo ito doon sa kabila. Ililipat mo ito sa kabila. Okay, so this will become what? Negative 30 is equals to 2x minus 3y. Maging negative. Ito maging negative. So, 2x, negative 30 equals 2x minus 3y. Symmetric property of equality. Babaligtarin mo silang dalawa. Magiging 2x minus 3y is equals to negative 30. So, this will be your standard form. Okay? This is your y-intercept form. Slope-intercept form, sorry. This will be your slope-intercept form. And this will be your standard form. Okay. Pwede namang negative 2x sa kabila eh. Pero ang convention, in a convention way, dapat positive ang 2x. Okay. Check nga natin kung ito ba ay solution ng ating equation. Substitute. Okay, try natin. 2x minus 3y is equals to negative 30. So yung x, papalitan natin ng negative. This will become 2 times negative 3 minus 3 times 8. Saan galing ang 8? Doon sa ating point. Equals negative 30. Equal nga ba? Tanong natin. So 2 times negative 3 will become negative 6. Negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. Equal nga ba sa negative 30? Tingnan natin. Negative, negative, combine. Add the absolute value. 6 plus 24 is 30. Then copy the common sign. Then negative 30 is the same as negative 30. They are equal. So, this is correct. Ito lang ang ano natin eh, panlaban eh. Kapag ka nag-equal na ito, ibig sabihin tama. Sigurado na tayo sa sagot natin. Sigurado na tayo sa sagot natin. Kasi tama eh. Okay, so yun lang ang panlaban natin. Pag na-check mo na at tama, no problem. Perfect. Okay, next topic. We have the x-intercepts and the y-intercepts. Okay, halimbawa, meron tayong point 1, which is 0 and negative 1. We have another point, 3 and 0. Okay, meron tayong y-intercept and meron tayong x-intercept. Okay, supposing ginamit natin yung y minus y1 equals x, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1. Okay, hindi pa natin alam, no? Yung shortcut. Okay. Ang tendency, ang x sub 1 natin ay 0. Ang y sub 1 natin ay negative 1. Ang x sub 2 natin ay 3. Ang y sub 2 natin ay 0. Ano bang ginamit natin noon? Okay. Y minus y sub 1 is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1. Substitute. This will become what? Y minus negative 1, so this will become positive 1, equals y sub 2, 0 minus negative 1 will become positive 1, 3 minus 0, x minus 0. So y plus 1 is equals to 1 over 3x. Okay, 0 na yan. So y is equals to 1/3 x minus 1. Convert to standard form. Okay, multiply by 3. So 3y is equals to 1x or x minus 3. Then 3 is equals to x minus 3y or x minus 3y is equals to 3. Okay, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Ito na standard form natin. Standard form. Halimbawa, gamitan natin ng shortcut. Okay, meron tayong shortcut. Okay. Ang formula ng shortcut natin ay ganito. Y is equals to negative b over a x plus b. Okay. Kapag ka meron tayong intercept na y at x intercept. Okay. No? Ang a natin ay yung x intercept. Yung y natin ay y intercept. Eto. Okay. Ang x-intercept natin, 3. Ang y-intercept natin, negative 1. Substitute. Y is equals to negative 1, which is your b, over 3, which is your a, plus negative 1, which is your b. So y is equals to negative times negative will become 1/3. Positive times negative will become 1. Okay. Dito pa lang, tama ka na. Okay, pareho. So, how will you convert this to standard form again? Multiply by 3. So, magiging 3y is equals, oh sorry, there is an x here. Sorry. Okay. Then, 1/3 times 3 will become 1x, then negative 3. Meron tayong x, nakalimutan ko lang, no? Sa formula natin. Okay, now, how will you transpose this? How will you convert this to the standard form? Ito ang itatranspose mo sa kabila. Tapos ito ay itatranspose mo sa kabila. Okay. So, this will become 3x minus 3y. Or, symmetric property of equality, x minus 3y is equals to 3. This will be your standard form. Pareho? Okay, pareho. Check. So, ibig sabihin, ano bang mas madali sa inyo? Itong long method na ginamitan natin ng 2 points o itong x-intercept, y-intercept formula. Ito lang, memorize nyo lang ito. Just memorize this. Okay. Meron kang y-intercept, x-intercept. Substitute, makukuha mo ng kaagad. So, kapag ka may x-intercept, y-intercept, ito na gagamitin yung formula. Hindi na ito. Huh? This is only good for 2 points na hindi intercepts. Okay. So, this will be your fourth topic. Halimbawa, okay. Merong graph. Meron tayong graph pero walang laman. Ito lang. Line and Cartesian plane. Paano natin i-solve? Okay. Ano ang first step na gagawin ninyo? Okay. Meron tayo sa discussion ito. Mag-a-assign ka muna ng point. Okay, meron ka namang graph eh. Mag-a-assign ka muna ng point. Ano ba ang point na to? Magbibilang ka ngayon. 1, 2, 3. Okay, meron ka ng 3. Meron ka ng 3. Bakit positive? Kasi nasa positive side. Nasa kanang banda ng 0. Now, what is your y? Bilang ka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13. Bakit positive? Kasi nasa taas siya ng 0. Kapag nasa y-axis, nasa taas ng 0, positive. Kapag kakanan, nasa x-axis, positive. Pagka nasa first quadrant, positive x, positive y. Okay, itong isa, nasa third quadrant. Expect this to be negative x and negative y. Third quadrant. Magbibilang ka ngayon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, negative 6 ang x mo. Kasi pakaliwa from 0. Now, what is your y? Expect this to be negative also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, negative 6 din. Bakit nag-stop ako rito? Kasi nandiyan siya eh. Dito ako nag-stop. Bakit nag-stop ako sa 6 kanina? Kasi nandito siya. Ibang sabi ko sa inyo, titingnan nyo lang kung saan siya naka-align. Kung saan siya nag-intersect, yun yung point nyo. Okay, so masyado nang tabingi yung board natin. Ayusin muna natin. Okay. Now, our point 1 is 3 and 13. Your point 2 is negative 6 and negative 6. Mag-a-assign tayo ngayon. X sub 1 is equals to 3. Your y sub 1 is equals to 13. Your x sub 2 is equals to negative 6. And y sub 2 is negative 6. Now, meron ka ng dalawang points. Substitute to your formula. Y minus y sub 1 is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1. Okay, substitute y minus y sub 1, which is 13. Y sub 2 is negative 6 minus 13 over negative 6 minus 3 x minus 3, which is your x sub 1. Simplify now. Y minus 13 will become negative 19 over negative 9 x minus 3. Now, negative 19 divided by negative 9, this will become positive. So, y minus 13 is equals to 19 over 9 x minus 3. Now, distribute. Okay, what will become your equation? Y minus 13 is equals to 19 divided by 9, or 19 over 9 x. Then, 19 times 3 is 57 over 9. 19 times 3 is 57. Then, retain the denominator, which is 9. Again, you have to transpose this. Transpose the 13 to the other side. What will become of your equation? Y is equals to 19 over 9 x minus 57 over 9 plus 13. Now, ito tayo sa kabila. Convert 13 to a similar fraction. Okay, so y is equals to 19 over 9 x minus 57 over 9 plus. How will you convert this to similar fraction? Multiply 13 times 9. This will become 13 times 9 will become 117. Then retain the denominator of 9. Now you can combine similar fractions. What will become of your equation? Y is equals to 19 over 9 x. So negative and positive, subtract the absolute value. 117 minus 57 is 60. Then copy the denominator. Copy the sign of the greater number. 117 is greater than 57. So copy the sign of 117. This will become positive. So this will be your slope-intercept form. This is your slope, this is your y-intercept. Now, how will you convert this to standard form? Multiply both sides by 9. Bakit 9? Para ma-eliminate natin yung denominator na 9. So this will become what? 9y is equals to 19x plus 60. Okay, transpose 9y to the other side, transpose 60 to the other side. This will become negative 60 is equals to 19x minus 9y. Or, symmetric property of equality, 19x minus 9y is equals to negative 60. So this will be your standard form of linear equation. Now, let us check. Tingnan natin kung tama. Ngayon, kung tama ang ating solution set dito sa ating equation, ibig sabihin tama yung process natin. Let's try. 19. What is your x? Okay, for point 1, that is 3. Minus 9. What is your y? Y is 13. Is this equal to negative 60? Okay, tingnan natin. 19 times 3 is 57. Minus 9 times 13 is 117. Will this be equal to negative 60? Okay, tingnan natin. 57 minus 117. Mas malaki ang 117 sa 57. You have to copy the sign of the greater number. Then 117 minus 57 is 60. Therefore, negative 60 is exactly the same as negative 60. So, tama. Okay, so our equation is correct. Okay, thank you.